On one occasion in the month of Ramadan, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu to look after the zakat or the sadaqatul fitr. Zakat that had to be dispensed to poor people, or sadaqatul fitr that has to be given to poor and needy people. It was donated by people. So Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed Abu Huraira, "Oh Abu Huraira, you look after this." The first night, Abu Huraira was looking after it. One person came and he tried to steal some wheat or some barley that was there. So Abu Huraira caught his hand. So a person pleaded to Abu Huraira and told him, "Inni muhtaj wa alayya ayal." That I'm a needy person, I've got family, I've got children to look after. I'm in a state of abject poverty. So I'm stealing because of a need. Release me. Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala released that person. The following morning, Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam told Abu Huraira, without Abu Huraira telling to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Ma fa'ala asiruka al-bariha?" What happened to your prisoner in the night? So Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala mentioned the incident to Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he told to Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "I felt sorry for that thief, so I released him." Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him he'll come again. Following night, Abu Huraira went on a guard. But he said he knew that person would come again because Nabi Sallallahu told him he'll come again. That person came again, he went to steal. Abu Huraira caught his hand, told, "You came again?" Again the person pleaded to Abu Huraira and told to Abu Huraira, "Leave me, I got a family, I'm in need, that's why I'm stealing." Abu Huraira released him. Third night the same thing happened. The following morning again Nabi Sallallahu told him, "What happened to your prisoner in the night?" Abu Huraira mentioned to Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Nabi Sallallahu told him, "He's going to come again." Abu Huraira said, "I had yaqeen and conviction he's going to come again because Nabi Sallallahu told he's going to come." And he did come. Third night, same thing happened. Abu Huraira told the thief, "This is the last time. I gave you chance first time, second time, third time, now I'm not going to release you." So the thief thought, now I'll be handed over to Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So he told to Abu Huraira, "I'll tell you something that is beneficial for you." So what was that? The thief told him, "Recite Ayatul Kursi. Recite Ayatul Kursi, and until you recite Ayatul Kursi, no Shaytan will be able to come to you right up till the morning." Following morning, Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam asked Abu Huraira, "What happened?" So Abu Huraira mentioned to Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he also mentioned that what the thief told to him. He told to him, "I must read Ayatul Kursi, the Shaitan will never come to you till the morning." Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam mentioned that وَإِنَّهُ لَصَادِقٌ وَهُوَ كَذُوبٌ. What that person told to you is truth, but the person is a liar. In other words, sometimes a liar speaks the truth too. Then Nabi Sallallahu told Abu Hurairah, "You know who you was talking to for the past 3 nights? The encounter you were having with the person, who's that person?" "Zaka Shaitan." That was actual Shaitan that was coming to you for the past 3 nights. From this hadith we understand that when a person recites Ayatul Kursi, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala even protects the person from the effects of the Shaitan. In one hadith, Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has mentioned, if a person recites Ayatul Kursi after every farz namaz, nothing can stop him from entering into Jannah besides maut.